operating funds thereof. Item number 4, also a proposed ordinance authored by the Honorable Joselito del Rosario, co-authored by this representation, an ordinance further prescribing measures to minimize the risk of transmission of COVID-19 virus by prohibiting owners, operators of computer and internet shops and cafes, billiard halls, and other entertainment centers from accepting or allowing minors or persons below 18 years of age any time of the day, providing guidelines in handling minor offenders, and imposing penalties for violation thereof. Item number 5, Mr. Chair, is a proposed ordinance authored by this representation, an ordinance prohibiting the hoarding and panic buying of basic commodities and essential supplies in times of emergency, crisis, disaster, or other similar situations in Naga City. Another, Mr. Chair, also a proposed ordinance of this representation, an ordinance prohibiting the publication and use of false report which may endanger the public during times of emergency, crisis, or disaster, or other similar situation in Naga City. Item number 7 is the letter from the acting city administrator requesting for a passage of a resolution authorizing the city mayor to negotiate with Mr. Felicito Ormilio or his heirs or assign for the acquisition through donation, sale, or expropriation the property located in Barangay Balatas, Naga City with an area of 9,533 square meters. Under unfinished business, Mr. Chair, item number 15 is the committee report of the Committee on Appropriation. Item number 16 is the committee report of the Committee on Games and Amusement. Item number 17 is the City of College of Naga Board Resolution favorably endorsing to the Sangguniang Panglungsod the Institutional Development Plan of the City College of Naga. Item number 18 is the letter from the City Mayor requesting for a ratification of the extrajudicial settlement of estate of the late Rita C. Asico. Item number 19 is the audit observation memorandum to the Naga River Rehabilitation and Development Fund. Item number 20, also audit observation memorandum pertaining to the 20% local development fund of the City of Naga. Under new business, Mr. Chair, item number 7 is the letter from the Office of Senior Citizens Affairs requesting for a passage of an ordinance creating of 2 plantilla permanent position at OSCA. Item number 8 is the letter from the City Mayor requesting for the creation of the following position: Training Specialist 1 and Teacher 1 at Early Child Care and Development Division of the CSWD. Item number 8A is the proposed ordinance authored by this representation, an ordinance creating the plantilla position of 1 training specialist and 2 teacher, and appropriating the necessary amount to cover the salaries, allowances, premium, contribution, incentive, and other benefits of the said position chargeable against the surplus. Item number 9 is the letter from Ateneo de Manila University requesting for the
quarantine over the entire city of Naga has been proposed.
May I